Right now, your browser is keeping a secret with a computer on the other side of the planet a secret they agreed on in public, while anyone could listen, in about a tenth of a second. Sounds impossible, right? That tiny padlock in your address bar is hiding one of the cleverest tricks ever invented. Let me show you the secret handshake. Here's the uncomfortable truth: when you send anything over the internet, it doesn't go straight to its destination. It hops through dozens of computers you've never heard of, owned by people you'll never meet. It's like shouting your credit card number across a crowded room and hoping only the cashier hears it. Without protection, anyone along the way can listen in. That little padlock in your browser? It means HTTPS is on. The S stands for secure, and it changes everything. Instead of shouting across the room, you and the website are now whispering in a secret language only you two understand. Everyone can still hear you talking they just can't make sense of a single word. That scrambling is called encryption. The workhorse behind that scrambling is called AES. Think of it as a lockbox where you and the website each hold an identical copy of the same key. You lock a message inside, send the box, and only someone with that exact key can open it. It's incredibly fast and basically uncrackable. There's just one awkward problem we haven't solved yet. Here's the catch. You and the website need the same key but you've never met. So how do you send them the key? Through the internet? That's like mailing your house key on a postcard. Anyone handling the mail could copy it. For decades, this was the unsolvable puzzle: how do two strangers agree on a secret while everyone is listening? The answer is genuinely clever. It's called RSA, and it works like this: the website mails you an open padlock but keeps the only key that opens it. Anyone can snap that padlock shut, but nobody can open it again except the website. So you put your secret inside a box, click the padlock closed, and send it back. Eavesdroppers see everything and can do nothing. Now let's put it together this is the secret handshake. 1. Your browser says hello to the website. 2. The website sends back its open padlock. 3. Your browser invents a brand new AES key, locks it with that padlock, and sends it over. 4. The website opens it with its private key. Now you both share a secret and nobody else does. So why two systems? Why not use RSA for everything? Because RSA is slow it's like an armored truck. Perfect for delivering one precious thing, terrible for daily errands. AES is the sports car, blazing fast. So the armored truck delivers the key once, and the sports car handles every message after that. Best of both worlds, working as a team. One last problem. What if a scammer sends you their padlock, pretending to be your bank? That's why websites carry certificates basically a passport, stamped by a trusted authority that your browser already knows. Before any handshake, your browser checks that ID. If the stamp doesn't check out, you get that scary red warning page. That warning is your friend. So next time you see that padlock, you'll know, an armored truck delivered a key, and a sports car is doing the rest. If this made encryption finally click, hit subscribe and in the next video, we'll answer the question everyone asks: how do websites store your password, without actually knowing it? See you there.